So, crafty fam, how are you today? So today we are doing a dollar store makeover on this cute little thin play thing. And here what you will need. I will get to see it in the new. I'm gonna try something new, so you'll see what I'm doing. So first I'm taking the paint and taking the outside of my box. Here's the montage of it, and yeah, to the montage. Well, this line, well, that line, well, this outside my box line, I will be right back, and I'm to, I don't know. Okay, so now, what we're gonna do is, oh, I haven't done this before. Oops. So, these scissors. So, take any box that you will like. So, I'm taking an old fruit mat box. Oh. We have to slam it. I mix my nose by it in. And cut one more inside. And once you have the square, I'm going to wait. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna cut the square piece with my scissors. Hold on. Now, fold, fold. Uh, now we have this. Okay. Now I'm just cut the square corner so that way Green line, one thing, so I'm cutting more corners. Um, it's an invite side here, and now we'll just fold it over and slide. Be careful. We have a adult unit with you if you're not over like 15. Okay, now you're just the seamless. Okay, it looks like alien. It looks like alien upside down, but your feet. Now, I'm gonna do the other side and just fold it over. Make it like a nice seamless thing. So, there we go. I'm gonna cut this on the side, so that way when I fold it over, oh, it doesn't matter. Sorry. Yeah. And now we fold the other side. I like to make it seamless here. And on the front. Hot. Okay. There we go. Now it's like literally perfectly seamless. I'm gonna pause it. So now what we do? I don't know. So now we basically push it in. It, ta-da! Actually, I'll have to wait. It's perfectly in place. Like a so nice. Ta-da! So now I'm gonna paint the inside like that. Make it all cohesive. But like right before the family. So I'll be right back with the finished product. So cut that out. I am done. And hold on here. Ta-da! Here is the finished product. Ta-da! It's super cute. I don't know what I'm gonna use it for, but if you enjoy dollar store. I know I paint like all over me. If you enjoy this dollar store makeover, please give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below anything, if any videos you want to see, or if you enjoy dollar store makeovers, let me know. And hit that big subscribe button. I just hit over 100 subscribers. I love hit 200 subscribers. And by 2024, or by Christmas, and hit that notification bell to get notified when I upload a new video. Bye, Crafty fam!